Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Yuvan's Tech Tutorial. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can fix the Facebook not opening problem. But before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you can get notified about the further uploads on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, you just need to go to the Play Store or App Store on your device and search in Facebook. If you see update option here, you need to tap on update and update the Facebook app so that you can fix the Facebook not opening problem and enjoy the latest features in that. If in this way also did not resolve your problem, so go back again, go to the phone settings, scroll down and you will see apps, tap on it and select app management. Wait until the apps are loaded here. Once the apps are loaded, you can just scroll down and find out the Facebook, or you need to type in the Facebook and search the Facebook. You'll be access to this page where you need to tap on storage uses and clear all the caches. If you clear the data, then you again need to log in, go back and tap on permission. Make sure you have allowed all the apps permission. Go back. Doing so, if this step also didn't resolve your problem, then you need to once restart your phone and your problem of Facebook not opening will be surely fixed. So if you find this video useful, then hit the like button. Thank you.